Right, this is practice 3. Melissa went to the supermarket and bought these items. So she got 1 kg of grapes at $6.50 per kilogram. So that was 1 kg, so that's $6.50. 2 bottles of juice at $1.55. So $2 times $1.55 is $3.10. You can do the calculator. Just a loaf of bread at $3.30. And then she got 1.5 kilograms of ham at $20. So 20 times 1.5 equals $30. So if we add all of that up, that's 90, and we've got $42.90. If you add all that up on your calculator, how much does she receive from a $50 note? Go 50 minus 42.9. and you get $7.10. Okay, who tracked her trip to the shop and produced this graph. Okay, so there's 3 parts to this graph. This is the time that she was at the shop. Okay, her distance from home doesn't change. If we have a look at this bit here, see there was quite a bit of distance covered and not much time, compared to the same distance covered over a long period of time for this part. So that's fast and that's slower. Okay, so we need to work out what we want it going. She's going quick first and then going slower on the way back. She walked up the hill and then ran. No, it's not that one. Okay, because it's slower and then faster. She walked northeast and then went home. Well, it's not that one because it's not about walking northeast. She ran to the shop and walked home. Yes, faster then slower. Yes, she walked to the shop and then ran home. No, we know that it's that one. So it's this one here. She left home at 14:39 and the trip took her 35 minutes. Okay, so 14:39. This is the minutes bit, this is the hour, the 14 is the hours bit, which is actually 2 p.m, but that's irrelevant. So the 39 minutes, to bring that up to 60 minutes, or the next hour, we're going to add 21 minutes onto it, okay? And that'll bring it up to 1,500 hours, okay? So that uses 21 minutes, but it took her 35 minutes. So if we take that 21 minutes away, how many minutes are left? 14 minutes. So that means it's 14 minutes after 3 o'clock. So it must be 14 hours. Simon graphed the age and members of his family, which graph represents the data. If we look at the ages are going up. Susie, Cam and Arnold. As the age goes up, we can notice that also the heights are going up as well. Okay, so this one is not it, because as the age is going up, the height's going down. This one is random, and this one is a little bit random as well, but we can see on this one, as the age goes up, so does the height. So it must be this one here. A year ago, Arnold was 1.6 metres tall. How much has he grown in the last year? They want our answer in centimetres. So now he's 180 centimetres. So we're going to change that to centimetres by timesing, by 100. And that's 167 centimetres. Work out the distance between the two, and that's 13 centimetres. Okay, so here we've got some tiles missing from the pattern, so we're going to just quickly draw some in. Following the pattern. Right, we can see this one, so we want 2 lines of symmetry, so you can see that it's going to be like that. These are the 2 lines of symmetry, the mirror lines, I guess. And so we know that one's there. This one's mirrors down to that one, so that's going to be coloured in. This one's going to be mirrored down to get that one is coloured in, and this one will mirror down to get this one here. This one here is white to match up with this one. This one here is white to match up with that one. So if we compare that to the ones on the right hand side, and we can see that it matches up to this one. Now I've highlighted here that the perimeter of 18 centimetres, remember the perimeter is the outside, we add up the sides. Okay, and we want to say what one adds up to 18. So here we've got 4 sides, and there are 5, but that adds up to 20, so it's not that one. This is 5 sides times 3.5. We know that that doesn't add up to or multiply to get 18. This one is 3 sides of 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Yes, that does. Let's just make sure. We add up these sides here, so we've got 5 and 5 and 3 and 3, and that adds up to 16, so it's not that one, so it's this one here. Each tile costs $4.50. Calculate the cost of the tiles. Okay, so we need to add up the number of tiles. Right, the top row here has 5, the second row has 6, the third row has 7, this one has 6, and this one has 5. So if we add up all of those, 18 and 11 is 39. Oh, sorry, not 39. 12, 19, and 10, 29. And then we times that by $4.50. And that equals $130.50. Okay. The diagram shows the layout of the fairground with the big tent at the middle, near the centre. There it is. Write down the coordinates for the ice cream stall. So here's the ice cream stall, so it's that one there. We always read across this way first, so we go across to this one, and it's U, and we're going up to this one here, which is 4. So the coordinates are U4. So Eli's at the big tent and wants to see the clown. So here's the big tent. Which direction should he walk? Okay, so wants to see the clown. Here's the clown here. What direction is it from there to there? Right, here's north. It's showing there. This is west going that way, so it is northwest.